Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Mobox Windows emulator on your Android device and play any PC game on your Android phone. First, head to this blog post on Etechbox. I'm going to provide the link in the video description, and then scroll down to the requirements section. Now we need to download Temox, Temox X11 and Input Bridge. So just click on it to download Temox, download X11, and lastly download Input Bridge. Now you can click on details, and then we're going to install every single one of them starting from Input Bridge. So just click on it to install. Done. Also install Temox X11, and lastly install Temox. Now we can close our browser. This is X11 Temox, and lastly this is Temox. First, open Input Bridge and allow display over other apps. Now let's open Temox. And run the first command, Temox setup storage, to grant permission to Temox to access your storage. Hit enter and we allow. Next, we are going to change Temox repository with this command, Temox change repo. Enter. Now select the main repository and then choose GH Mirrors by KQbet and enter. Now we're going to run a command to update and upgrade packages. So run pkg update and pkg upgrade. Enter. Now if you get any prompt while this is running, simply enter Y for yes and hit enter. And that is complete. Now let's close Temox and open Temox X11. Now we have to make few changes, so click on preferences, set the display resolution mode to exact. Now you can set your display resolution to your device resolution. In my case, I am using 1280 by 720. Enable stretch to fit display. Also enable full screen on device display. Enable force landscape orientation, hide display cutout, and lastly disable show additional keyboard. Now we can close this and head back to our browser. Now scroll down under steps. You should see this command here to install Mobox. So just copy it and head back to Temox and then paste it there and hit enter. Now this is going to take about 5 minutes, so you just have to wait patiently. Now we're going to select option 2 to install new Mobox WoW 64 and continue. The installation is complete. Now type in Mobox to start the emulator. Okay, this is the first time it is running, that's why we are seeing this. And we can start wine by hitting enter. And it should download DXVK for our config. So basically this is how to install Mobox Windows emulator on your Android phone. Our D drive here is our download folder, so if you want to play games, simply download the games and move it to your download folder on your Android phone. Go to Mobox and you should be able to access it from the D drive here. If you want to see more videos like this, kindly like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.